Sana, okay na. Guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Hitachi Seaside Park in Ibaraki. So, nandito tayo sa main park which belongs to the north side of the park. So, this is a huge area, and please enjoy watching this video and like and share and subscribe to everybody that's watching live out there. So enjoy watching, guys. So ano nga ito pangalan dong na flower? Ha? Ito na flower. Ha? Eh? One moment, guys, kasi hindi ko alam to. Look at this one, guys. So it's so very nice. It's too small. It's look like 1 inch size of my finger. It's very cute, guys. Huh? Mimofera. So guys, I'm very sorry for the name of these plants. This is Mimofera, a flower, very small. So look at that. In every quarter of the third quarter, first quarter, second quarter, look at that, guys. First quarter, second quarter. So the flowers, they will have to change the flower. So look at that, guys, how very amazing. See? Wow, you look like walking under the sky. In the sky. Look at that, guys. I don't know how can I reach on that, guys. I cannot reach on that kasi alam nyo, sometimes I'm very sorry. I can speak English, you know, because this is a YouTube, and my videos is everybody's can watch this. That's a kind of amazing Ibaraki Seaside Park here in Ibaraki, Hitachi Seaside Park. Look at that, guys. It's look like heaven. Heaven knows. Very interesting, guys. Guys, anong gagawa tayo ng ganito sa Pilipinas? It's so very amazing. See? Look at that, guys. Ako'y napapagod na since in the beginning until here. So that was 2 years ago I went here, but it's not look like this. See? If you want to come to Japan and visit to witness in Japan, please come over in this area. This is in Mito Ibaraki Prefecture, opposite side of Narita and Chiba. So look at this. The entrance is, if it is adult, we call that silver. If it is adult, guys, it's alam nyo na, 550 in my pocket. It's 550, 560 for adult. Mura lang, kaya very affordable. So please come and visit in this area. See, look at that, guys. I don't know how many hectares of flower. See, look at that, guys. Enjoy watching, guys. Like and subscribe to everybody who are supporting in my YouTube channel. So walang nagsasawa ng channel ko. Ayan, kasi seasonal dito sa Japan. Alam niyo na ang mga upload ko. Actually, nag-start ako ng live, but the signal of the Wi-Fi, it's not so good. So I turn off. So ayan, nag-ano na lang ako. Nag-ano na lang ako, guys. Nag-upload na lang ako just for 10 minutes, 7 minutes until I can reach that point. So I feel I'm here in the heaven. So I feel in the heaven. Diba? Parang nasa heaven ako. You know why? Because of the color. The color of these flowers. And then I am already here in the uphill. See, look at that, guys. I'm here. So it's a very amazing. Hinihingal na ako, guys, sa totoo lang. Pero this is for you guys. Instead of you cannot come to Japan, you can please support my YouTube channel, guys. This is for you. See, dito na ako sa tuktok, guys. Hinihingal na ako. Very amazing. So amazing, amazing. See, look at that here. I'm here at the top of the hill. See. Look at that, guys. It's amazing. How many years? So I cannot travel in this area because many circumstances and many troubles. And it's so far, but not too far. See, look at this, guys. See? And we are now here in the top of the hill. Very amazing. We are now in the mountain. Look at that. See? Dagat yan, guys. See, look at that. See? Ayan, guys, grabe. How many hectares of flower? Just siguro they will have to spread all the seedlings of this kind of flower. Diba, guys? Amazing. Tingnan mo sila, picture. Of course, because it's a very amazing talaga, diba? Andoon na ako sa kwan. Sana kayo mga anak ko, where are they now? Ayan, ako na lang dito. So, and then I will have to turn back. Ayan. Kaya pa kaya tayo na nandoon tayo. Sige, guys. I will have to consume this within 10 minutes consumption for enjoy watching, guys. Enjoy watching. So this is the opposite side of the Ibaraki River. Sorry, Ibaraki seaside. See? Oh wow. Oh wow. It's a heaven. Heaven. It's a heaven. Diba? Heaven. I feel like you are not in heaven. Diba? Because of the color gray. How can you express this as a blue, sky blue? See? Diba? Yeah. So opposite side. This is opposite side. See? Look at that, guys. Enjoy watching. Like and share to your friend. See? So hindi na ako doon. So I want to travel over there, but just for abilisan ko na lang maglakad. At least makadating man lang ako doon hanggang doon, di ba? So, ayan. Kambatero. So we have to call that Kambatero. Ayan. Ayan, mahangin. So, today I did not bring my stabilizer just for the windbreaker. Windbreaker, guys. This is a windbreaker. Nandun ako sa mga windy, so I will have to use the windbreaker. I'm here now, guys, in the top of the hill and the sky, very close to the sky, overlooking. It's a very beautiful scenery. See? Look at that, guys. I'm here. Wow, that is a Komatsu. Komatsu is a company of where, ano kaya yan? Para itong ano, Komatsu. Ayan, nakita nyo, Komatsu. Komatsu company because Komatsu maraming ginagawa sa Komatsu. Mostly of the Komatsu, they are making the bulldozer, the big heavy equipment. Hinihingal ako guys. Ayan guys. So this is the back side of the Hitachi Seaside Park. Okay? So enjoy guys watching. Ayan, andito na tayo guys. Hinihingal na ako. Then they're bringing their dogs, it's okay, and then you can pulot the tae. Papulutin nyo pag magtayang ang dog nyo. Will, you can bring your own. Iba dito, hindi mo pinapabayaan. You can bring your own plastic and then put in your press and bring it to your house and throw it away. Okay? Ganun dito guys, look at the dog. See? They're bringing their own plastic bags to pick it up all the poo-poo. See, look at that guys. So I'm here now. I reached already. Look at that. The dog is there. It's a very nice place. So amazing. So amazing scenery, beautiful scenery. So, see, anong masasabi nyo guys? Oo, nang noon, I visit this 2 years ago. There's still Corona. So, hindi nila ipinagalaw ito kasi that's Corona. So now, ayan, nakikita nyo nandito na ako. Diba? Very close to 2 hours from my house. Then Ibaraki. Ba, ang ganda. Wow. It's amazing. Amazing, amazing. Thank you very much for your watching and enjoy. Like and subscribe sa inyong lahat dyan. As I said, instead sa magpunta pa kayo sa Japan din, you can see my upload. Enjoy watching my upload. Every week is a short video and not short video and regular standard upload. Alam nyo na yan guys, it's a very mahirap talaga. Gusto ko man mag-live at Wi-Fi is very weak. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe.